What are virtual locations in HMA Pro VPN and what do I need them for? HMA VPN now offers a brand new feature, virtual VPN server locations. What are virtual locations? What is that and what would you need it for? How can you use them? That's quickly explained. When you e.g. connect to a VPN server located in the USA, you get an IP address from the USA assigned, e.g. visible on geoip.hidemyas.com, and your traffic takes the route from your place to the VPN server's location. Should you connect from a faraway location, this can affect your connection speed and latency negatively. Now you might need to connect to a US-based VPN server to get a US IP address, which allows you access to content that is only available for people with a US-based IP, e.g. videos from streaming sites, web radios or any other content that checks your IPS location, but of course you simultaneously want to get the best speeds and ping. Here is where virtual locations come in handy. It means that you connect to a server that is located in one country, but gives you an IP address that is assigned to a different country. So you can easily get a US-based IP address, but keep proper speeds and latency due to the fact that your server is physically located in the UK. Your traffic takes a shorter route, providing you with a connection of better quality. We provide virtual locations for many countries, e.g. Canada, Portugal, Indonesia, Malaysia, etc. How to use the virtual locations? To use the virtual locations, you just need to connect to the corresponding VPN server. In our HMA VPN client for Windows and Mac for example, you can simply select the virtual location servers A, in the dashboard's Quick VPN Location Change drop-down list, B, in the Country Selection tab. When using other connection methods, you can use the virtual locations by OpenVPN registered, using the star.openVPN registered server profiles from http://hidemyas.com/vpn-config/vpn-config.zip pptp/l2tp, using the pptp/l2tp server IPS from http://hidemyas.com/vpn-config/l2tp. You can identify virtual location servers by the term virtual in their names. They are called e.g. UK, London, Virtual Portugal, meaning that the server is located in the UK but gives Portugal IPS.